Hey, so one of the things I've noticed in this industry, and it's a issue that seems to be a trend, is that a lot of agents who are struggling to write business believe it's because they don't have enough leads. I can promise you, if you're struggling to make money, it's not that you don't have enough leads because there are millions of people that are around you every single day. And so it's not a lead problem, it's a sales issue. And so there's nothing wrong with that, but we have to call a spade and understand what the underlying issue is. And so you guys will probably see lately, I've been pushing a lot of my coaching efforts and how I'm trying to bring agencies on and teams on to help on the sales side. And it's because of that exact reason. We can teach you how to get leads. You can pay for leads. You can generate leads. You can go out and talk to people and generate them organically. You can generate them through paid ads. You can purchase them through vendors. But the reality is, you need to understand the underlying issue and you have to create those foundational pieces for long term success in sales. And so, those foundational pieces are almost always going to be the same across the board for any agency or agent. And so you have to understand one, how to give yourself the highest opportunity to get in contact with someone regularly. Then you have to understand how to overcome objections satisfactorily. And then you have to learn how to close them on the first call. And so if you can get those three foundational pieces, the marketing aspect of sales is the easiest part, right? Because there are so many different options out there, but you have to get your feet under you first. So that's my tip of the day. And hope I can work with some of you guys in the future.